Peace be upon you. Did you know there are people in this world who earn in 1 month what others earn an entire year? And the question that puzzles everyone is, what's the difference between them? The answer is both simple and complex at the same time. It's skills. But not just any skills, the skills that companies are desperately searching for. I discovered a secret that completely changed my life. And today, in this video, I'm going to share this secret with you. We're going to talk today about 3 skills that companies pay thousands for and how you can learn them yourself. Skill number 1, digital marketing. Why do companies pay thousands for the skill? Imagine this with me. A company spends millions of dollars on an amazing product, but nobody knows anything about it. What will happen? It will fail, without a doubt. This is where the digital marketing expert comes in. This person who can, first, reach millions through the internet. Second, convert visitors into paying customers. Third, build a powerful brand. The practical steps. 1. Learn the fundamentals. Understand how search engines work. Study consumer behavior online. Get to know social media platforms. 2. Practice hands-on. Create accounts on different platforms. Try creating small advertising campaigns. Analyze the results and learn from them. 3. Get certified. Google Ads, Facebook Blueprint, HubSpot content marketing. And before we move to the second skill, don't forget to hit that like button if you're finding this content valuable. Skill number 2, programming and software development. Why is programming the skill of the future? Listen to this fact. Everything around us is going digital. Commerce, education, medicine, agriculture, everything. And who builds these systems? Programmers. Types of programming in demand. Let me clarify the most important fields for you. 1. Web application development. Websites, management systems, e-commerce stores. 2. Mobile app development. iOS and Android apps. Games, communication apps. 3. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Recommendation systems. Natural language processing. Image recognition. And how do you start your programming journey? Step 1. Choose a language to begin with. Python, easiest for beginners. JavaScript for web development. Java or Kotlin for Android apps. Step 2. Learn the basics. Variables and data. Conditions and loops. Functions and objects. Step 3. Build real projects. Start with small projects. Publish your code on GitHub. Participate in open source projects. And here's an important question. Do you think programming is difficult? The truth is, it's not. All you need is patience and continuous practice. If you're watching us for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Skill number 3. Content writing and creative design. Why is content king? In the age of social media, every company needs engaging content to stay in people's minds. Good content attracts new customers, builds trust with the audience, increases sales, strengthens the brand. Types of content in demand. 1. Creative writing. Blog articles, social media posts, marketing copy. 2. Graphic design. Visual identity design, creating visual advertisements, infographic design. 3. Video production. Product videos, educational content, visual advertisements. How do you start in content creation? 1. Develop your writing skill. Read extensively in your field. Practice writing daily. Learn the principles of copywriting. 2. Learn design tools. Adobe Photoshop, Canva for beginners, Adobe Illustrator. 3. Build a portfolio. Create samples of your work. Publish them on Behance or Dribbble. Share them on social media. Conclusion and call to action. Let me tell you something important. You now know 3 skills that companies pay thousands for. Digital marketing to reach millions, programming to build technology, and content writing and design to create and influence. But knowledge alone isn't enough. The real question is, what will you do now? Will you close this video and forget everything? Or will you make a decision that changes your life? Let me share with you a practical plan for the next 30 days. The 30-day transformation plan. Week 1. Exploration. Choose one skill from the 3. Search for free courses on YouTube or Coursera. Watch 1 hour daily. Week 2. Deep learning. Start an organized course. Dedicate 2 hours daily to learning. Take notes. Week 3. Practical application. Start a small project. Apply what you've learned. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Week 4. Building and growing. Complete your first project. Publish it on freelance platforms. Search for your first client. A message from the heart. I know some of you are saying right now, but I'm too old, or I don't have time, or I don't have money. Let me tell you the truth. Age is just a number. I know people who started in their 40s and 50s and succeeded brilliantly. Time exists. If you have time to watch social media, you have time to learn. Money isn't an obstacle. Most of the resources I mentioned are completely free. The powerful call to action. I want you to do 3 things right now. First, hit the like button if you benefited from this video. This helps us reach more people who need this information. Second, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. I'll be sharing more practical videos to help you on your journey. Third, write to me in the comments, which skill will you choose and why? I read all comments and reply to them. Final words. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Every successful person started from zero. The only difference between them and you is that they started. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Peace be upon you, and until we meet again.